Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redline collections. Today we have another mail call, and this one I'm kind of excited about, but I guess we'll see once we get it opened if it was worth the investment. I hope it was. It looked like it should have been, but only one way to find out. Yeah, let's see what we got here, people. I guess the boards might be a little bit of a giveaway, but is it a Diora? Is it a Fleet Side? What do you think it is? Let's have a look. Bam! Look at that, guys. Is that not beautiful? Look at that. Woo-wee. That thing is pretty. That, my friends, is a purple beach bomb. Sakes alive, that thing is nice. Look at that front end. Oh yeah. Blue glass, what does that mean? Hong Kong. Man, that thing is pretty. So let's have a quick gander at this thing. Try to put some surfboards in there. Give everybody the full effect of what it is. What do you think? Think that thing's ready to go to the beach? Oofda. Look at that. Tires are nice and shiny. And that was the one good thing about the Hong Kong version versus the American cars. Hong Kong had really shiny chrome, where the Americans was more of a kind of a grayish chrome and had a tendency to rub off easier. But look at that. My goodness. I hope people like this as much as I do. Man. Anyways, welcome to my mail call. And I'll be back with another mail call one of these days very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Tell me that's not beautiful. Okay, don't tell me that, because somebody probably would. Anyways, have a great day. Talk to everyone later. Bye.